So here's my Caravan 5x8 trailer I just got from Home Depot. They had these on sale for $10.99, and I opened a Home Depot credit card, got $100 off, so basically got it for $9.99. A cool little trailer. I was also considering the Carry-On from Tractor Supply, but this definitely looked to be better built. So the only thing I found with these Caravan, it doesn't have any kind of tie downs on it. So I started looking into it, and I found that Caravan does sell a tie down kit for about 75 bucks. And I think they only give you 6 tie downs. This actually has 8 holes that you can use for tie down points along the side here, 4 on each side. So didn't really want to pay 75 bucks for 6 tie downs when I need 8. And I thought $75 was a little steep anyway. So looked around. I found these on Amazon, which look pretty nice. It's like a nice gloss black finish. I think I got 10 of these. 10 of these for $10 or $15. And then I got some hardware at Tractor Supply for about $10 maybe. I got grade 5 bolts, not that I really need grade 5, but, and then I just sprayed them with some black Rust-Oleum just so they don't rust out. And here's my plan. Basically, is I have these holes here, and I'm gonna install them. Like I said, we got 4 holes on each side. They have plugs in them, so just gonna pop those plugs out and put those on, and I think they should work good. So put them on and see how they look. So here they are on one side so far. I think it's gonna work pretty good. Alright, there we are. Installed. So I was mistaken. I thought it came with 10 rings, that kit from Amazon, but it actually only had 6. But I think 6 is plenty for a trailer this size. 3 per side. If you wanted to use all 8 holes, you could buy 2 packs, and you'd still be cheaper than buying the kit from Caravan. And I like these two because they're black. Flip them up out of the way. Still have to tighten these down all the way. But yeah, if you're looking for some tie downs for your trailer, I mean, it's definitely the way to go. Probably in it for under 25 bucks compared to 75 from the kit that Caravan sells. So hope this helped you out. Catch you next time.